Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Known as the Square Bird, this is a 1959 Thunderbird. It does have the retractable top. This whole lid opens up, the top comes out all with one switch, 352 motor, automatic, and guess what else it has, which is rare? Air conditioning. In a convertible, people didn't have air conditioning in their homes back then. Anyway, it's exceptionally nice, solid car from down south. Go to volocars.com and you can read all the specs and look at all the pictures. You will also find the price tags on every one of our cars that we have for sale, and along with that is a monthly finance number as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, so it's from down south. We just bought it out of Alabama. Real solid. Just a nice, clean, preserved underside, maintained as needed, but the floors have a light coat of undercoat. They look like they're real solid. It does have a newer dual exhaust system. Some front end work, the lower control arm bushings, the shocks look like they've been replaced recently. On back, it does have coilover shocks. Drum brakes all around, e-brake systems all hooked up. Bottom of the motor is real clean. It has the Cruise-O-Matic transmission, and I think it's a 3-to-1 ratio rear end. The fuel system was replaced. The fuel tank, sending unit, that's pretty new under the car. So again, solid, respectable underneath. So the body is in really nice shape. These gaps are all really good. Looking down the side of it, it's straight. This door sticks out just a smidgen. Yeah, it can be adjusted in a little bit, but it all lines up nice and square. All of this lines up real nice. It's straight. I don't see any rust or issues. The hood fits nice and square, lines up. None of the panels are banging each other, nothing like that. All looks real nice, all straight. I don't see damage or dents or bubbles. Now it's called, I think it's Colonial white. Don't remember for sure. Actually, it's smooth. I don't know what they put on it, but it's slick. You got this nice scoop on the hood, the little chrome medallions on the fenders. It's polished, nice and glossy. Correct antenna looks real good. The windshield's real nice and clear. I'm not going to call it new, but I think it's real good. The rubber's soft. You got dual mirrors on each side, some deluxe mirrors. This chrome is definitely new. It's really shiny. There are a couple little bubbles right down here, like the size of your pinky nail. I just found a couple right there. Door handles replaced. This is all real nice. Got fender skirts. Paint's all real slick. There's a chip right here. It's not been touched up. Back bumper's rechromed. Tail lights look real nice. The trim back here is original. It sparkles, but does have pimples on the chrome. But the bumper's all real good. A few little nicks that have been touched up on the edge there. This side's looking good. Radial whitewall tires. The correct hubcaps look like they're new. The chrome up the vent window here is real nice. Got a couple freckles down in the corners. All right, there was a flaw. I should have mentioned it when I seen it. Well, there's going to be a couple minor flaws if you look for them. Right here, looks like something maybe dropped on it, chipped the paint a little bit right there. And then on the front edge of the hood, it's touched up there and right here. So flaws, only you're going to know they're there. People walk up on it, you're not going to see that little stuff. This big shark mouth front bumper is the original chrome. It has slight patina. Again, you walk up on the car, it presents like a new bumper, but it's not. So why don't we open it up, see what it looks like inside. You know, to this day, I'm still learning about these old cars. I was mistaken when I said it's a power retractable top. There's a button you hit inside there, and it releases 2 solenoids that unlock the lid. You open the lid, which opens very easily, and then there's a switch right here for the power top. So the top does come up, it is power, but pretty wild that you actually stand outside the car to put the top up. So this whole compartment is lined real nicely. It has the gray and white plaid liner kit. The convertible top, look at the pictures on our website. It's actually a black German cloth top, a real nice rich upgrade. It looks really good when it's up. And overall, I'm going to say this is painted up and presented very nicely under here. The interior is in real nice shape, two-tone black and white. It does have bucket seats with the center console. Got a little sportiness going on. Door jambs are very nice. The rubber looks like it was replaced. The door panel looks pristine on both sides. Handles and cranks look real good. The dash pad looks real nice and firm. The instrument panel, look at all the chrome, the gauges, the knobs, all that looks very good. The steering wheel's not broken, but the paint is aged and flaking a little bit. This is the air conditioning vent. A non-air car would not have that. And they also put a retro stereo in the place of the original. You got a chrome glove box door. Center console's good original condition. It does have seat belts front and back. Carpets are very good, a little sun faded. The seats have nice firm cushion, has the chrome piping. Back seats are done to match. Side panels are real nice. So overall, very good interior. Visors are new. So the motor is a big 352. You got Radial whitewall tires down there. And again, air conditioning, power steering, and I'm pretty certain it has power brakes as well. So it's a 352, 300 horsepower. Everything looks proper, complete. The engine bay is painted nicely. Stock manifolds and distributor and air cleaner. It all looks stock, proper. Even has the washer fluid bag over there. Looks like the starter's new. I can see a sticker on it from this side. So I learned something today. I almost started the video over because I made a mistake earlier saying that it's all power and retractable. But yeah, like I said, I'm still learning too. So now we know how that works. Very interesting. Just an overall very nice car. And boy, they did put something slick on that paint. It is slick. Beautiful square bird, air conditioned. Honestly, I don't know if the air is working. It's all hooked up and functional, or all hooked up and it's all there. We have to ask the salesman to have it checked out and see if it works or not. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com. I gave you my impression. Talk to the salesman. They'll answer your questions. They'll help get it delivered to your driveway. They'll help finance the car as well at volocars.com. I hope you're enjoying the videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.